Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Watch this video before making spaghetti. You can make any quantity of your choice, but I'm using only 2 packs. Add spaghetti in a pot of boiling water. Allow to cook for 2 minutes. Drain and transfer back in the pot. Add the stock from the cooked chicken. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Stir well. Add your knorr or aromat. Add chopped tomatoes. Add ginger and garlic and chili puree. Make sure you stir well. Please take 1 or 2 seconds to thumbs up this video if you haven't. Thank you. So now add your mixed pepper plus scotch bonnet. Add your sliced onions. Add a little bit of seasoning. Stir well and cook for more 5 to 7 minutes and it's done. So now I added the chicken and yes, our delicious spaghetti is done. Wow, it tasted amazing and delicious. Thank you all for watching.